Hey, to Samsung Wi-Fi setting, you need to turn on now. Click on go to settings, connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, mobile hotspot, configure, then you go to advanced, then slide way down to Wi-Fi sharing. Make sure you turn this on. When you turn this on, it says you share your phone's Wi-Fi connection in addition to mobile data. What does that mean? It means when you come to mobile hotspot, you can turn mobile hotspot on and share your Wi-Fi at the same time when mobile hotspot is on. Even mobile data is on, so you can turn all these three connections at the same time. When you connect Wi-Fi, you can share your phone's internet to your laptop, to your other phones, using that same Wi-Fi, even though you didn't have the password for it. For example, someone connected you. So that's how you can do that and make very many connections using that same setting. Another one, you go to Wi-Fi, click on these three dots, advanced, and go down there to turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Click on that and make sure you turn it on. So this one turns on your Wi-Fi even if your Wi-Fi connection was off. The moment you reach to that point and the phone senses it, it will just turn on and connect to that Wi-Fi immediately. As you can see, this one I use it every day. It connects to it every time I am connected. Those are the two settings I wanted to know. Thank you for today. Make sure you subscribe if you find this video useful. For more tips which are coming ahead. Thank you. Good day.